Hey there guys, good morning to you. We're gonna have a good day today. We're gonna head out to a track that we've never been to before. It's called Horn Rapids. It looks good, at least online. It looks to me kind of like Riverdale, but a little bit bigger, a little bit more technical, and hopefully a little more well maintained. So that'll be fun. It's always fun going to a new track, seeing the kids slowly get better, more comfortable on a new place, a new set of jumps. And on top of that, we are having a coach, so it'll be very cool for them to be able to work with a coach. It'll be cool for me because, man, I tell you what, it's a lot of work. As a moto dad with 3 kids, going to a track, trying to work with them, trying to help them all at once, it's just a lot of me just standing on the side of the track, shaking my head as they go by all day long. It's a lot of work. Gets my neck's tired by the end of the day, so it'll be nice to have somebody else there to do the head shaking as they go by.
Look at those nice vines. Ooh, there's more. Where? Alright, hope. Stop getting shot!
kind of not fair because she has a faster bike. You're a little wet.
So the first thing we're gonna do is we're actually gonna stand up. We're gonna do our course. We're gonna stand up for 4 laps the whole time. Stand up, even in the corner. So go slow if you have to, but we want to work into that. The next time we're gonna go through 4 laps sitting down with our feet on the pegs the whole time. We're not gonna put our foot out. Then we're gonna do another 4 laps, one-handed. It's just the next levels of control getting to that point. Micah, I think it's Micah.
Really, bro? All right, guys, we had a pretty good day. We just finished up. Lillian had her first coaching session ever, and I think she killed it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Did you have fun? What did you like about it?
I liked how we worked on like that spot over there, turns, and then the games are pretty fun.
Yeah, she was like probably one of the best water balloon tossers, and she was nailing our coach over here. This is Kyle.
I've done this a lot of times. I've never had anybody hit me with water balloons out of years.
Yeah.
And then I don't know what happened today because it was like the floodgates opened up and every single rider hit every balloon.
Well, luckily it's pretty hot out, so hopefully it kind of felt nice.
Yeah,
Hopefully he wasn't complaining too much. But hey, is it all right if I tell people about your book?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so this is Kyle. He runs mymotocoach.com, right?
Yep.
And he's got this coloring book right here. It's pretty sweet. These make really good gifts. It's good for social distancing too. You don't have anything to do right now, right? So you might as well sit home and color.
Yeah, here's the deal.
Coloring books, that's what I do.
I think secretly everybody loves to color when no one's watching, let's be honest. So, I originally made these for kids. I had a lot of people come and trying to get my programs online. And I'm like, man, your kids, they're just too young to comprehend a lot of it. So we really made it ultra simplistic. And what's really cool is we really branded it. There's a guy named Moto Kyle. Kyle's trying to learn how to ride, so you learn the technique and then you help him figure it out.
So there's a story behind it.
Yep, it's a story to the whole thing. And Kyle has a lot of issues he's struggling with, and so you actually have to help him figure out what's wrong with his form, and then it's just kind of a different way to learn it. So
right.
Put a lot of heart and soul into this, and it turned out to be a cool project. So.
That's right. It's basically all the things I wish I learned in 9th grade, but I never did. This coloring book would have done it for me, right?
We all learned from the School of Hard Knocks, so it's really sweet to be able to, try to mitigate some of those crashes, some of those, what did you say you've been riding, like 110 years? Oh, 50 years.
Just 50.
50 years with bad form, it's nice to start out with day one with some better stuff.
Break some bad habits by good to coach.
Yeah.
So Kyle does coaching. They can check it out on the website, right? And check out the dates. If you're not able to do any of the coaching dates, you could always just get the coloring book, and every little bit helps. So thank you very much, man. We'll link it below and check him out.